don't drive this car as much as I want to. The S2K is my daily driver, and believe it or not, this car used to be my daily driver at one point, but I still drive it. Like I drive it. It just doesn't just sit at home. But anyways, let me find a place to park, and then I will tell you what's going on today. Pretty much, I want to start doing the things that I never did to the EVO before. It may or may not be performance mods. Holy shit, I ain't going down that way. Fuck that. Huge freaking dip. Of course, there's a car coming. Guy did not freaking care. He's driving a brand new Lexus and just went on the dip head on. Rip to that bumper. Yeah, pretty much, guys, I want to start doing all the little stuff I never did to the EVO when I was driving it a lot more than I do now. And by the title of this video, you guys probably already know what I got. A lot of people say it makes a night and day difference, and I don't know, I'm hoping it does. All right, guys, so excuse Shadow, he's a little dirty right now. It just rained a couple days ago, but let me show you really quick the engine bay. Ever since the last time I got stay reffed, I haven't really been doing anything to the EVO. Right now I'm focusing on the Skyline. I got to get parts for that thing because it keeps breaking down every single time I drive it. There's something new that needs to be replaced, and I have something on the way right now. But back to the EVO, I'll show you guys when I get home the part, but pretty much it goes right here. So I gotta take off the strut tower bar, and then there's a bracket that sits, there's a bracket that bolts on to these 3 bolts right here. Pretty much goes down there and helps the brake master cylinder not to flex as much, which ends up in better braking and brake feel, I hope, because everybody says that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go home right now and let the engine bay cool down a little bit because that thing is hot in there. I'll do a little quick unboxing for you guys so you guys can see what you get exactly when you purchase this item. Then for some test drives. The brakes on my EVO are not that bad. I have pretty good brakes, but still I want to see how much it improves. Brakes are not that bad, but still I want to see how much it improves overall from stock, or just by not having that little wreck. I kind of want to get a new steering wheel too. Had this one forever. Good thing I stopped. There was a freaking popo right there. Not today, sir. Not today. Alright, so let me start off by showing you the box. So it was shipped in this box right here. And GrimmSpeed Master Cylinder Brace for the EVO 8 and 9. This part was $99, so not bad. Let's see what's in here. So we got this little foam thing, a little bolt for the stopper, and the actual brace itself. Wow. Got a sticker, and can't read that person's name, but wherever you are, thank you. So right off the bat, this thing looks amazing. It looks like good quality. So yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult. We got the brace itself and then these bolts right here, and that's it. So guys, I ran into a little bit of an issue. Like always, the brace will not get on there because that brake line is in the way. It's already like touching that, and this won't go all the way down. I'll try to see what I can do to get that thing on there. I just gotta cut this side right here just a little bit for the brake line to clear, and I hope that's it. All right guys, so I got the brace on, and now I just got to put on my battery, hook it up all together, and go test drive it. But yeah, there it is. I'm gonna have to say this wasn't a direct bolt-on. I did have to do a few modifications. I had to cut the brace a lot more than what I had to make this fit. So I don't know why GrimmSpeed is saying it's a direct fit, but it was not a direct fit. Let me show you guys really quick. So right in here, see that gray part? Well, it was kind of hitting the one of the brake lines, and then the bolt for the little stopper, as you can see, it's not where it was supposed to be. So yeah, I had to cut that, and then another little one down there. Overall, I didn't know it was gonna be this much work, but it fits. So if you guys are trying to get this for your car and you're thinking it's gonna be a direct bolt-on, it's not. I don't know what my EVO is any different from any other EVO, but yeah, it wasn't a direct bolt-on, but it's on there. So yeah, it's all that matters. I've done my first few stops already, and you can notice the difference very, very quickly. Feels good, you know, but then again, I never thought the EVO brakes sucked. Like, they've always been good. Of course, you know, having new pads and all, but just the pedal itself feels a lot firm. Like, it brakes a lot faster. So I'm just gonna drive it around a little bit, give you guys my honest opinion about this Master Cylinder Brace. Coming up to a stop right now. I'm gonna do like a semi-hard stop. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, it feels good. We're coming up to a stop right here. See what you can do. Ooh, very nice. Brake pedal feels a lot stiffer, by like 50% stiffer, except you can't like continue to push the pedal all the way down. So let's say overall your pedal went down this much, now it goes down this much before you're starting to hit like full brake power. Oh yeah. Having that brace on there does make a difference. Like your brake pedal feels a lot stiffer. I'm gonna want to brake a lot more than push on the gas pedal now. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you own an EVO, let me know. Do you guys have a Master Cylinder Brace? And if you have the same one I have, did it fit straight out of the box or did you have to modify it? I will give this mod a thumbs up even though I had to modify it because it did make a difference. It did make the brake pedal feel a lot stiffer and I could actually feel the braking a lot better. So yeah, I'm excited to start modding the EVO again, guys. There's a few parts that I've had that I want to put back on, and then there's also something else coming. So I'm super excited for the next mod, which will be next Friday, hopefully. So if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Don't miss out on any of the videos because the EVO is just gonna get better. And like always, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next Friday.
You